The butterfly effect, a concept so profound it challenges our understanding of cause and effect, time, and the very fabric of reality itself. But what exactly is it, and why does it matter? Imagine a butterfly, gently flapping its wings in Brazil. Now picture that tiny movement of air cascading into a chain reaction, growing and amplifying until it transforms into a tornado in Texas. This is the essence of the butterfly effect. The idea that small, seemingly insignificant actions can lead to massive, unforeseen consequences. But the butterfly effect isn't just about weather patterns. It's a fundamental principle that applies to all complex systems, including human history and the flow of time itself. It suggests that every choice we make, no matter how minor, has the potential to alter the course of events in ways we can't possibly predict. Think about it. What if you decided to hit the snooze button one extra time this morning? That small delay could lead to missing your bus, which could cause you to be late for an important meeting, potentially costing you a promotion. Or what if you chose to smile at a stranger on the street? That simple act of kindness could brighten their day, leading them to make different choices that ripple out and affect countless others. Now, let's take this concept to its extreme. Imagine you had a time machine and could travel back to any point in history. Armed with your knowledge of the butterfly effect, would you dare to change anything? Even the tiniest alteration could have far-reaching consequences that completely rewrite the timeline as we know it. Consider the classic scenario of going back in time to kill Hitler before he rose to power. On the surface, it might seem like a noble act that would prevent untold suffering. But the butterfly effect teaches us that it's not that simple. By removing Hitler from history, you'd be setting off a chain reaction of events that could lead to an entirely different world, one that might be better in some ways, but potentially worse in others. The implications of the butterfly effect for time travel are staggering. It suggests that even if we could build a time machine, using it to alter history would be incredibly risky. Every change, no matter how well-intentioned, could have unintended consequences that spiral out of control. But the butterfly effect isn't just a thought experiment for science fiction enthusiasts. It has real-world applications in fields like chaos theory, weather prediction, and even economics. It reminds us that the world is far more interconnected and unpredictable than we often realize. So what can we learn from the butterfly effect? Perhaps its most important lesson is the power of small actions. While we can't predict the future or control all the consequences of our choices, we can recognize that even our smallest decisions matter. Every kind word, every thoughtful gesture, every moment of mindfulness has the potential to create positive change that ripples out into the world. The butterfly effect also teaches us humility. It reminds us that we're part of a vast, complex system that we can never fully understand or control. This realization can be both humbling and liberating. It frees us from the burden of trying to micromanage every aspect of our lives and encourages us to embrace the inherent uncertainty of existence. At the same time, the butterfly effect doesn't mean we should be paralyzed by indecision or fear of consequences. Instead, it invites us to approach life with curiosity and wonder. Every moment becomes an opportunity to set something beautiful in motion, to be part of the intricate dance of cause and effect that shapes our world. As we navigate the complexities of life, the butterfly effect offers us a powerful metaphor for understanding our place in the universe. We are all butterflies, each of us capable of creating ripples that transform the world in ways we may never fully comprehend. So the next time you're faced with a choice, big or small, remember the butterfly effect. Consider the potential consequences of your actions, but don't be afraid to spread your wings and see what happens. Who knows? Your small act of kindness, creativity, or courage today could be the catalyst for incredible changes tomorrow. In a world where everything is connected, where the flap of a butterfly's wings can lead to a tornado halfway across the globe, we each have the power to make a difference. Let's use that power wisely, with compassion and awareness, as we write our collective story across the tapestry of time. The butterfly effect reminds us that history isn't just made by kings and presidents, by wars and revolutions. It's made by each of us, every day, in countless small ways. Our choices matter. Our actions have consequences. And together, we're all shaping the future, one tiny change at a time. So go forth and be the butterfly. Flap your wings with purpose and intention, You never know what tornadoes of positive change you might set in motion. The future is waiting, and it's full of infinite possibilities. Like, share, and subscribe to Infinite Toinil.